Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple Visual Basic.NET program that will ask the user to give an integer number, and then our program will check and determine whether the given integer number by our user is odd or even numbers. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are already here in our Visual Basic.NET environment. Basically, I'm using Visual Basic 2010 Express Edition, but all the codes that I'm using here is applicable to the newer version of Visual Basic .NET or Visual Studio. So we have here the form. The first thing that we will do is to change the word form1 into add an even number checker in VB.NET. Okay, after we have done, we go to our toolbox. We will select the label, and then here in the label, give a number. We will asking the user to give a number. Okay, so here in our font we can select Arial, regular, and then we have here the size of 12. After which we go to our toolbox again. By this time we will choose the text box, click and then drag here adjacent to our label, give a number. In this portion we change again into Arial, regular, and then we have here 12 now. So here we go again to our toolbox. By this time we will select a text box, wrong, button, sorry. We will drag here, and then we will name our button check. We go to the font, Arial, bold, we have the size of 12. Okay, so copy and paste, we duplicate this one. Instead of check, we will have here the clear, and then we have here copy again the third text box. We have here quit. In the quit button we can simply put end, and then here in check where we will put our code, no? So dim a as integer, a equals val text box 1 point text if a mode 2 equals 0, then message box the given number is even number. the given number here, let's say else copy paste. Sorry, let us check. We save our work. So we have here now in the text box. Normally in Visual Basic .NET, the text box by nature it is a string. That's why we are using the val function to convert the given value inside our text box 1.text into integer format. But we have to use another variable here. That's why I'm using the keyword dim, and then I declare a variable a as integer. So whatever value that is being stored in our text box 1.text, it will be stored in our variable a. Now, to check whether the given number is an odd or even number, we are using a conditional statement. If a mod or modulus, checking if there is a remainder or not by 2. If there is no remainder, the given number is an even number if it is true. But if there is a remainder or the statement is false, the else statement is being executed. The given number is an odd number. So let us check our code. Let us run. Let's say for example we have 3. Okay, so the given number 3 is an odd number, correct? So another example, we have 4. Click, check. The given number 4 is even number. So the code is already working perfectly. So here, double click, so we can have here text box 1.text equals space, and then text box 1.focus. Okay, so what the code will do here in the clear button, if we click, it will empty and the cursor will be on focus on the text box. Let us check our code. It says 12. Check. The given number 12 is an even number. Okay, when we click the clear button, yes, it works. 7. Check. The given number 7 is odd number. Clear. Then we can quit. Here we go, guys. We have already created a program using Visual Basic .NET that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check whether the given number by our user is an odd or even numbers. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button. Leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.